Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. In this video, I'll show you the official way to download and install Driver Easy Professional latest version. And if you want more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser and search for Driver Easy Professional download. Now click on Trial Version website in the first position. Or go directly to drivereasy.com website. I've also added the link in the description. Step 2. Once the website loaded, don't scroll down and find the Download Driver Easy Now button and click on it. The download will start automatically. The file size is just 6.8 megabytes, and now wait for the download to be done. Step 3. After the download, click to run the file and start the installation. The installation process is easy to do, just watch the video and do what I'm doing. The installation process is done. Now open the Driver Easy software. Now scan for the driver updates. You will have full access after you buy it.